About Cheongmudae. In the Goryeo period, the site of Cheongmudae was part of Namgyeong, or the southern capital, which supported the capital city of Gaegyeong. In the late Joseon period, Gyeongbokgung Palace and its rear garden were rebuilt. The rear garden, which would later become home to the Blue House, was referred to as Gyeongmudae. During the Japanese colonial period, most traditional buildings at Gyeongmudae were dismantled to make room for the residence of the Japanese Governor-General of Korea. After Korean liberation, the residence was used as an official home for the head of the U.S. military government for 2 years. Then, in 1948, the government of the Republic of Korea was established, with Syng-man Rhee becoming its first president. The building subsequently served as the president's office and official residence for a succession of 12 presidential terms, beginning with President Rhee. In 1961, President Yoon Bo-seon renamed Gyeongmudae as the Blue House, or Cheongmudae in Korean. During the presidency of Park Chung-hee, Cheongmudae underwent organizational expansion and witnessed many transformations, including the repair and renovation of existing structures and the construction of Sangchunje, Yeongbingwan, and other new buildings. In the late 1980s, President Roh Tae-woo ordered the construction of a new main presidential office, a separate presidential residence, and Chunchugwan in an effort to reinvent Cheongmudae as a positive, forward-looking venue befitting Korea's international stature and the new era of Korean democracy. The new buildings were completed between 1990 and 1991. Then, in 1993, the former main building was dismantled under President Kim Yong-sam's instructions. On May 10, 2022, President Yoon Suk-yeol was inaugurated, and with his decision to establish a new presidential office in Yongsan District, Cheongmudae was fully opened to the public.